Unit 6. Our neighbors.
Unit 6, Lesson 2, Sri Lanka, the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Do you know which country it is? Share with your friends what you know about this country. Click to know about this country. Sri Lanka is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean for its natural beauty. It is a diverse country with many religions, ethnicities and languages. It has 4 major ethnic groups like Sinhalese, Sri Lankan Tamils, Indian Tamils and Sri Lankan Moors or Muslims. 70% of its population is Buddhist. The country's main economic sectors are tourism, tea export, clothing, rice production and other agricultural products. It has beautiful beaches and natural side which attracts many tourists every year. You have watched a video clip on Sri Lanka. Now talk about the similarities and dissimilarities between Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Read the text in section B and answer the following. What is the Ramayana? Who are the Vedas? What do you know about cinnamon in Sri Lanka? The Ramayana is the Hindu epic in which the ancient history of Sri Lanka is depicted. Vedas are the original inhabitants of Sri Lanka. Cinnamon was produced in Sri Lanka first and was introduced to all over the world by Arab merchants later. Drag phrases from the list below in the table to make meaningful sentences. The inhabitants of Sri Lanka is about 20 millions. The total area of Sri Lanka is about 65,000 square kilometers. The total population of the country is divided into 4 major ethnic groups. The economy of Sri Lanka is basically agriculture based. Serendip is a nickname of Sri Lanka. Write questions for the statement. Sample questions. What is the population in Sri Lanka? What is the area of Sri Lanka? How many ethnic groups are there in Sri Lanka? What is the base of economy in Sri Lanka? What is Serendip? The following pictures are taken from the places mentioned in section E. Tell which picture is from where. Listen to the 4 people say which places in section E they will love to visit in Sri Lanka.
I'm
Click
Tausif,
on
a
each
photographer.
person.
I love to explore jungles and take snapshots of wild birds and animals.
I'm Jolly, a student of archaeology. I love visiting historical places.
Hello, it's Mithun.
I want to spend my holiday with the serenity of the sea. Surfing is my favorite activity.
Hello friends, I am Shagotam, a sportsman. I have visited almost every stadium in South Asia. I hope my visit to Sri Lanka will be interesting too.
Bandala National Park of Sri Lanka, Anuradhapura, Hikkaduwa Coral Reef and Sandy Beaches, Dambulla.